Robbie here from Save Stores in tax-free Portland, Oregon, and I am so excited today because we have a special edition, and this is the 55th anniversary Serger from Baby Lock. 55 years Baby Lock's been making Serger. They're basically the inventor of they call them domestic machines. They're the ones you have at home that aren't in a factory. They basically revolutionized the way that Sergers work with threading, no tension, all the stuff that give you frustrations with a Serger. Baby Lock solved it, and they have a special machine that they're launching right now, limited edition. They're making 2,000 of them, and that's it. And I will tell you, they're sold out, so I can't get any more. But I did buy the most of them that I could, and I'm able to offer them at a special reduced price. So right now, if you call the store, 503-775-7283, or of course just swing by us at 67th and Foster in Portland, Oregon. We've got a gated parking lot in the back, so no on-street parking. We've got a special deal where I'm able to reduce this down to $18.99. Huge savings, but I gotta tell you, they're coming with a limited edition bundle. So you're gonna get some back quarters here. And this fabric, can you see that? It is gorgeous. It is so pretty. So for all you fabric junkies out there, right here, yeah. But in addition to that, they're giving this inspiration guide, and it's a special book made specific. Oh, don't look at the machine. We're gonna unbox it. I'm just kidding. We'll all see it here together. But when you go through, it's got all this stuff about how sergers work, how to take the foot off, different threads, how to do different stitches. And what I love about this is it's made for this machine. So if you wanted to do gathering on heavy fabric, it tells you how to do it, tells you all the steps, and walks you through. So this is coming for free as well. So this is kind of like that. You know, I say if we're open, give us a call. We're here to help you out. But maybe Sunday at like 2 in the morning, you know, trying to get something done. This is a huge help. So I just want to show you that. That's really cool. But now to the main event. I'm so excited to see this. So Baby Lock, the original machine that they launched, they went through numerous prototypes, and they made a small 4-thread serger that they made, and it had a very unique color. So pretty cool. So let's dive in and see what we got. So I'm opening this box for the first time, so you and I are seeing everything that's in here together. And first, I gotta tell you, the styrofoam looks fabulous. It's just amazing. I'm just kidding. So in here, we get a foot pedal, yay, so you can make it go. That's pretty obvious. There is for the love of sewing, a little thing about all the new machines that they have. How cool is that? That's great. So we've got a special offer. You get to sign up for free projects. Ooh, there's no QR code on here that anyone's stealing, is there? There we go. We've got, Koala. Baby Lock owns Koala cabinets, and they make a cabinet that is, let's see if they have it. Woo, look at that. Look at that, it's made for it. How cool is that? They make a cabinet for that. Isn't that sweet? We've got an instruction book, but you've got Robbie, so you don't need this. So we're just gonna put that one aside. This is the key. So I call this my stitch Bible. And what it does is it tells me how to do every single stitch. And then it tells me what threads I'm gonna use, where I'm gonna put the threads, and then all the settings for the machine to do that stitch. And then, they put a picture of the stitch there so I know what they're talking about. Tons of different stitches that the machine does. Super easy. We're gonna open this up. Ooh, we got goodies. We got goodies. We're gonna open this. Come on, Robbie. There we go. Gotta be smarter than the bag. We're gonna open this, and oh my gosh, they've got all kinds of stuff. So here is a looper threader tool that we're not gonna use. We've got some thread discs, thread guides. These are handy if you're using smaller spools of thread and sometimes the thread gets caught underneath. Put this down, put your smaller spool on top, then put this on top to hold it down. And the thread, they call it puddling or ponding, where the thread falls off and it pools underneath the spool and gets caught and it messes up your tensions. These discs are really handy for that. They come with it, which a lot of machines don't. A cover, hello, we're not gonna need this. We're gonna be using it like every day. So, but you have it there. Screwdriver, that's cool. That's helpful for something. And then we're gonna pull these out, and then of course we got thread nets here to cover our threads, and then a Allen wrench for our needles. How cool is that? So these are all things in here, and I don't mind taking these out because I think there's a storage thing in here. So we're gonna find out. So I'm gonna open this up. Da, 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 da. Ooh, it's so cool. It's so cool. Oh my gosh, we're gonna get this out. So I'm gonna take it out of this. Look, I'm gonna give you a sneak peek. Look at that. Now watch this, and this is so tasteful. I can already tell. I'm gonna move the box here. Pull this off, and I gotta tell you, there's the star of the show. And I gotta tell you what I love. So the original Baby Lock was this exact green color, and they did a tribute here with the actual model number of the original Baby Lock home serger that was launched. And I absolutely love this. I think it's done very tastefully. Originally, I heard about this and they were gonna do it all in green, which is great. It's a pretty green, but I think it might be a little much like this day and age, right? So I think it's great how they just did little pops of color in here. Remember I told you I don't mind taking these out? There's actually let's get her open in the right spot here, a little storage spot so I can store extra goodies. So I can put my thread nuts in here. I can put things so I've got storage for all my stuff. But in here is even more goodies that we need. So this has a needle insertion tool. Can you get that? That helps us put our needles in. Another screwdriver, and don't worry, we don't have to take this apart to do stuff. They give you an extra knife, and this is nice because sometimes we forget to pull a pin. Maybe we're doing a fabric that's just really abrasive. These have an exclusive needle drive system, or knife drive system, which will literally cut, I don't want to say anything, but pretty much anything that you fit underneath there. So because it's so strong, it'll cut through like fireman stuff and things like that are really tough to cut. They dull needles, they dull knives. They give you an extra knife, which is nice. And then tweezers. But, you know, like normal serger, we're not going to need these. Why? Because it air threads, baby. So watch this. So I'm going to show you right here. We're going to open this up. And what makes this machine so special and unique is it's got the air thread system. And I'll show you this in a minute. It has no tension knobs. So there's no knobs in here to mess with your tension, which makes it so easy because remember that Stitch Bible I talked about? You just pull it in, you put the threads where they need to go, and it just works. But this has an exclusive stitch on it called a wave. And I gotta tell you, I was in a class with another brand, I'm not gonna say their name, but they were showing me, oh, we can do that. And you literally grab the thread and you made it pull it. Well, it's totally inconsistent. It doesn't look right. It just jumps over, jumps back. It's not this. It's horrible. But this does it, so you get an awesome decorative finish on things that just adds an extra bit of class and stuff that you can't get from other machines. And what's so cool about a serger is they allow you to make things look professional. And that's why they call them professional machines. It doesn't mean that like you work in a garment factory and you're cranking out stuff. It means that you're making things that look the way they're supposed to be made. So if you're looking to sell your things that maybe like in Portland here, we have Saturday Market, they require everything to be fully finished, which means serge. So yes, you could do it on a sewing machine, zigzag, takes forever. You're gonna do like 5 steps that this is gonna do in 1. Super quick, so you're gonna get more done in less time. So this is my unboxing video. I'm gonna have another video where I go through and kind of show some of the features of this machine more in depth and cover things, but I gotta tell you, I have a limited supply of these. I've got a special price of $18.99, and if you call the store, 503-775-7283, or just visit us at Safe Stores at 67th and Foster. Like I said, we got a gated parking lot in the back. We do so much for you after the sale. We give you free support, virtual or in-store, free for life. We give you a free extended warranty, so as long as the part, if it breaks on any machine that we sell and the part is covered under a labor or under a part warranty, we back the labor for the full factory warranty for free. So we don't make you buy extended warranties, extra service plans, anything like that. We give it to you. So now's the time to grab a bit of history, get some awesome fabric for you fabric junkies, and a great inspiration guide, all for free. Included with this is a 60-day love of knowledge that we're throwing in. And if you're in the Portland area, we've got an extra special deal. Or if you call the phone and want to know what that deal is, give us a call, 503-775-7283. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, want to see more, hit that like, hit the subscribe, hit the follow, comment down below anything that you want me to show, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.